Yo, what's up everybody? I'm back. This is a very special video. I came back on YouTube specifically for this video. If you don't know who I am, I'm Cam. And I have a very important package here. I've been waiting on this package for 7 days. 7 days I've been waiting. And now I'm about to unbox the sneaker of the year of 2018 and 2019. It came out at the end of 2018, but now there's gonna be more drops in 2019, and he bringing more heat. If you guys know who I'm talking about, he just dropped the 6th collection of his own personal brand, and then he snuck in some of the Nike collab that he got going on. It's just crazy. It's just crazy. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into this box. Got a very important box unboxing here for you today. So go ahead and take my unboxing knife here. Cut those open on the side. Oh my goodness. Yo, my wife is low-key like, I can't wait for you to hurry up and get this box because I'm tired of you making noise about it. She doesn't sound like that, but I just decided to say that. We got some air bubble paper here. Y'all. Alright, I'm gonna just hit y'all one of these. Your boy. Your boy. We in business, bruh. Oh my goodness. Now, it got shipped here. Man, this is nice. I'll get into the details a little later, but the box looks good. Orange Nike box. Y'all see that? Y'all see it? Oh no, you can't. Is it? No, it's not there. It's not there. It's not on this side. Boom. Right there. Boom. Right there. Show you the bottom of the box. It got, you know, it got beat up a little bit from being shipped here. But without further ado, we have the Nike Air Fear of God 1. Yo. Sneaker of the year. Sneaker of the year. Beautiful boxing. Got the little hints right there. I'll put that right there. Shout out to StockX. Appreciate StockX for always, you know, making sure that you got legit shoes for a decent price. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't able to cop these on release day. I had my wife wake up. She hopped on the sneakers app. I was on my iPad and my phone trying to cop these on the sneakers app. Then they had another drop this past weekend for the light bone colorway. Wasn't able to cop that either. So, you know, I had to, you know, put it out there. I had to ask. The Bible says, ask and you shall receive. So I put it out there. I said, y'all need a plug. And, you know, hopefully those plugs come through. But in the meantime, I had to go ahead and cop these off StockX. Got my official tag here. Boom. Official order. Air Fear of God 1 black. I got the colorway there. Got the purchase price there. All of that information comes with the nice Air Fear of God dust bag. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll get into the, you know, visuals later, but man, they just really went crazy with this. Like, this quality, this is amazing. This feels great. Let's set this aside. This feels like the extra laces and the hang tag. Or no, lace locks and the hang tag. And this, y'all see this? Do y'all see this? It's crazy. Quality on this. Nike, y'all really let Jerry do his thing. He went crazy. Got the orange wrapping shoe paper to cover up the reveal. Are you kidding me? This is like bougie aluminum foil. You know what I'm saying? Like, Both shoes come like that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow. Got my official StockX tag right here. Officially verified. Please inspect item. All claims null and void if the tag is removed. So, you know, we'll go ahead and keep checking that out. And wow, this is beautiful. It's beautiful. So, I watched a ton, and my wife can attest to this. I watched a ton of shoe reviews on this particular shoe, and a number of people said that for the price tag, the retail price tag of $350, that, you know, there shouldn't have been as many glue stains on the shoe. Now I'm looking at the one I got right now. I have like one glue stain, just one. Everything else, I mean, the shoe is in like perfect condition. It's a little something right there. But other than that, I mean, I can't complain. We got the numbers right here on the side. SN 8329166. That is his grandfather's military numbers from his military tag. We got that information right there. Man, you got the visible air bubble. We got double stacked air right here. We got the sail outsole. We got this TPU caging right here. Nice TPU caging. We got the mesh upper. You know what I'm saying? Got the kind of like Jordan 11 laces, thick, nice rope laces. And then we got this like premium, high quality suede right here on the toe box. I mean, it's just butter. It's just buttery. You know what I'm saying? It's like Jerry's a believer, so like it might be lamb. You know what I'm saying? Like, but you got to be quiet on set. It might be like lamb suede. I don't even know if that's a thing, but that's what it might be. Then we got the 3M on the toe box, and yeah, man, this shoe is fire. This shoe, I haven't been excited about a shoe like this in a very long time. Maybe since like the 2013 Bred 11s, maybe. Yeah, I think that's like the first shoe that I bought, like being a teenager. Not a teenager, but like being a young adult, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna pay more than retail for these shoes. Like that was the first like shoe, the Bred 11s. But now we got these, and it's just beautiful. It's just beautiful. This is what they consider a basketball and lifestyle shoe. Nike wanted to make their basketball shoes, you know what I'm saying, come alive off the court. They do great on the court. They have amazing sales, amazing numbers on the court. But they were like, man, people are not wearing our shoe like as a lifestyle shoe. You know, besides people like Kobe wear all his shoes like they just, you know, if he could wear his shoes with a tux, he probably would. But that's it right there, folks. Family. Do y'all see this? Wow. I'm gonna put this right here. I'm gonna set that right there so y'all can just behold the beauty. That was the left shoe, getting into the right shoe. And again, there's like some slight marks here on the outsole that I think I can get off. I think that's just from the shipping. It having to be shipped to StockX and then StockX shipping it to me. But yeah, again, I'm just checking for the glue stains. Don't really see any. That toe box area with that premium lambskin leather is still there. You feel me? There's like a slight creasing here, like in this toe box area. I don't know if they had like anything in the toe to like prevent that. But again, they probably, when they were inspecting to make sure. Yeah, as I was saying, I don't know if they like put some kind of, you know how like in Jordans and certain Air Force Ones, you'll get like the cardboard kind of shoe tree type thing that they'll place inside to prevent from creasing or whatever as you're taking delivery or picking up your shoe, whatever. I don't know if that's in here. Let's take a look. But yeah, there's like some slight like scuffing that's out on the outer sole. It is like a light sail colorway, so I can kind of see how that would take place. But yeah, here's the bottom. I mean, there's like some small little marks. I'm just kind of finicky about stuff like that because like if they came from StockX, like they should have like taken heed to that, I guess. I don't know. Some slight scuffing on my TPU cage. But, and then on this, on the right shoe, you can see the glue a little bit more, but it's not like crazy out of control. It still looks like a premium sneaker, which is what we're paying for. Yeah. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the inside of the shoe. Once again, you got Jerry's grandfather's military tag numbers there. You got your zipper on the back. It says Farragut on one side, Nike on the other side. This zipper feels luxe, like premium. Heard a lot of people had some issues with their zippers. Mine seems pretty smooth. You zip in and out of the shoe. Okay, so just getting into the shoe. We got an extra pair of black laces here. And then also they got some paper that's it, kind of in the shoe to protect it from the creasing. Zipping out of the shoe on the back heel tab, it says Air Fear of God, and then it has the sizing there. I heard these shoes run big, so most people, I have narrow feet, and most people said like if you got wider foot, then you can go to the size, it'll be long. If you like it to fit normal size, then I would go a half size down. I want a full size down. So instead of getting a 10, I actually got a 9 because I don't like my shoes running long because I'm not trying to trip or cause creasing or anything like that. So that's what I did. Let's see. I'm not reselling these pair because I'm keeping them, but yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and peel this open. We're gonna take a look. How do we do this? Just flip it like so. That exposes. So a lot of people were confused about the lacing. So you get extra pairs of laces and they're longer than the laces that are in the shoe. So we got this white bone colorway lace, and then we got the black lace. You got hang tag with grandfather's military numbers on the side, and then on the other side, a nice little touch. I haven't seen anybody talk about that. It says winter 18. Let you know that these came out in the winter of 2018. Yeah, grandfather's numbers on this side. We got Air Fear of God. We got Nike check on this side. Like I would like rock this on the shoe, but I know like all the walking would cause like scuffing. I don't know. Might just keep this as a little nice keepsake or something. Kind of reminiscent, and I think Jerry Lorenzo said it. He wanted it to. It reminded him of his childhood when he used to grab the Jordans and things of that sort. Like the Jordan 3s came with the hang tag, and a lot of people would leave it on their shoe, so everybody know like, oh, he got a fresh pair of shoes or whatever. So yeah, nice little touch. Nice little touch from Jerry Lorenzo, the designer. And then the black pair, we got the lace locks. We got 2 pairs of clear lace locks, and on the bottom it says Air Fear of God. And then we got 2 pairs of black lace locks. I can't really tell if there's anything on here. It doesn't appear that there's anything on the black pair. If it is, I can like barely read it. Oh, it's there. It's just like, wow. I don't even know. It's faint. I don't know. Y'all let me know if anybody else got a pair like on their black lace locks. Can you like barely read the writing on there? Like I cannot tell at all. Yeah, that's what we got. Now I'm gonna give you guys a close-up look of everything that came in the box, what the box looks like, what the shoes look like up close and personal. And yeah, thank you guys for checking out this video. I'm super excited to be rocking these. And the light bone colorway comes out this Saturday. Hopefully this video will be up by then, but the light bone colorway comes out this Saturday. I'm definitely trying to secure myself a pair. And yeah, I'm excited to see the Nike Fear of God collection and collab to keep going and push, just push the mark, man, and see how far Jerry can take Nike. This collab is, big. It's monumental. Jerry said he was willing to walk away from Nike if he wasn't able to create his own shoes. So it's gonna be dope, man. Once again, appreciate you guys for checking it out. I'll be back to hit you guys with the visuals on these shoes and get some close-ups, and I'll see you guys again. Peace. Another small detail is you have some more numbers here. A lot of people have been asking, what do these numbers mean? Once again, as I stated, Jerry Lorenzo is a believer of the Lord Jesus Christ. 06, 10, 24, 25. 06 is Joshua chapter 10, verses 24 and 25. You can check that scripture out, or I'll post it here for you guys to see. And then on the inside of the shoe, when we take the insole out, you can see it is full length air all the way down. It's tough to try to capture that, but full length air unit, double stacked, just like you can see there.